friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of English country cottage farmhouse decor. This timeless style blends rustic farmhouse elements with the cozy charm of an English cottage, creating a warm and inviting space that feels like home. From furniture and color palettes to accessories and outdoor space, we have got a plethora of ideas to inspire your decorating journey. So let's get started. The foundation of an English country cottage farmhouse is its color palette. Start with a base of soft neutrals like creamy whites, beiges and light grays to create a serene and calming backdrop. Incorporate earthy tones such as saggy green, muted blues and warm terracottas to add depth and warmth. Furniture is key to achieving the cozy and rustic feel of this style. Choose comfortable upholstered sofas and armchair with slipcovers for a casual, inviting look. A sturdy farmhouse table is a must for dining areas. Look for tables with a weathered or distressed finish to add character. Incorporate antique or vintage furniture pieces like dressers, sideboards and cabinets to add a sense of history and charm. Textile plays a crucial role in creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Use floral prints in curtains, cushions and beddings to bring a touch of the English countryside indoors. Adding rustic and natural elements can enhance the cozy, nostalgic feel of your home. Exposed wooden beams add rustic charm to ceiling and walls. Use natural materials like stone, wood and wicker in your decor. Bring the outdoors in with potted plants, fresh flowers and small indoor herb garden. Lighting is essential for creating the right mood in your home. Hand-painted lights over kitchen islands or dining tables. Use vintage-style table lamps for soft ambient lighting in living areas and bedrooms. Maximize natural light with light, airy window treatments like glaze or sheer curtains. The kitchen and dining areas are the heart of an English country cottage farmhouse. Install an apron-front farmhouse sink for a classic look. Replace upper cabinets with open shelving to display your favorite dishes and glassware. Use butterblock countertops for a warm rustic feel. Don't forget about your outdoor areas. Bring cottage charm to your porch, patio or garden. Use wicker furniture with comfy cushions for a cozy outdoor seating areas. Make your cottage farmhouse truly yours by adding personal touches. Display family heirlooms and cherished items to add sentimental value and unique touch. Change up your decor with the seasons to keep your home feeling fresh and inviting all year round. English country cottage farmhouse style is all about blending rustic farmhouse elements with the cozy charm of an English cottage to create a warm, inviting space that feels like home. Remember to choose a warm color palette, incorporate comfortable and classic furniture, add cozy textiles, and personalize your space with unique accessories. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration. Leave a comment below with your favorite cottage farmhouse decor. Thanks for watching and be happy decorating.